and supports a wide range of software products. So this company headquartered in Redmond, Washington, USA, founded in April 4, 1975. Present CEO of Microsoft is Satya Nadella, an Indian. So co-founders Bill Gates and Paul Allen. This we have seen in the last class. So recruitment. Now how they hire the people. What methodology, what method, what policy and strategy they have with regard to this recruitment for hiring the employees is very important. How Infosys company recruits people. So before that, let us see what is recruitment. It refers to the overall process of attracting, selecting, and appointing suitable candidates to one or more jobs within an organization, either permanent or temporary. So recruitment is a overall process of attracting, selecting, and appointing suitable candidates who suits to the jobs of Microsoft. What do they check? How do they conduct this hiring process? That's very important. It's very strategic. Utmost care would be taken in hiring right people, the right jobs at the right time. So here it refers to the overall process of attracting, selecting, and appointing suitable candidates to one or more jobs within an organization, either permanent or temporary, is called recruitment. So what exactly happens in terms of, in case of recruitment at Microsoft? So this company believes in recruiting extremely intelligent staff. Getting a job in Microsoft is not an easy task. One should have extremely intelligence. So here, the company believes in recruiting extremely intelligent staff, favoring intelligence over experience. So they do not mind the experience. They prefer intelligence than experience. So usually these are the two things that will be considered while recruiting any company for that matter: experience and intelligence. But Microsoft favor intelligence over experience. Microsoft is an aggressive recruiter and is often the first company to offer jobs to elite graduates at campuses and career fairs across the world. So elite graduates. So which campuses they go for hiring the people? That's very important. Where do you get this elite graduates? Which institute produces this elite graduates or intelligent graduates? So Microsoft is an aggressive recruiter and is often the first company to offer jobs to elite graduates at campuses and career fairs across the world. Since the company is in software technology, information technology company, so they hire most of engineering graduates. So definitely they prefer to go to high order academic institutions like IITs, IIMs. So the selection process focuses more on problem solving and thought process and composure testing exercises rather than the actual technical interviews. So what is the process involved in hiring the people with Microsoft? So focus more on problem solving and thought processes, composure testing exercises instead of actual technical interviews. They focus more on these areas: problem solving, thought process, composure testing exercises. This is how they select. This is what the process of selecting this intelligent, or elite graduates from the campuses that Microsoft follows. Interviewing process is seen as one which would push the interviewees to the limit of their creative and analytic abilities rather than their familiarity with a computer programming. So this company views that interview is a process that is seen as one which would push the interviewees to the limit of their creative and analytic abilities rather than their familiarity with a computer program. That's why they focus on problem solving and thought processes rather than actual interview techniques. So a shortlisted candidate will be invited in for some initial discussions, progressing through up to 4 interviews. These interviews 1:1 or by panel, and can be face to face or by telephone or VTC. See how they recruit people, how they hire. This is the process what the Microsoft, biggest MNC of the world, adopts to hire the elite graduates. So they focus on problem solving, thought process, composure testing exercises rather than actual technical interviews. And also they favor intelligent over experience, and they see that interviewing is a process which would push the interviewers to a limit of their creative and analytic abilities rather than their familiarity with a computer programming. So they explore all those things. They test all these abilities in the prospective employees. So then a shortlisted candidate will be invited. They shortlist after all these steps, and they invite the shortlisted candidates for some initial discussions, progressing through up to 4 interviews. After shortlisting, they conduct 4 interviews. These interviews would be 1:1, 1:1, or by panel, and can be face to face, direct interview, or by telephone or VTC. This is how this company hires people, conducts recruitment and selection process. So we have seen the recruitment process and selection process of Microsoft. So they visit campuses. They prefer, they favor, intelligence over experience. They give more focus on thought processing rather than technical interviews. So they shortlist the candidates, and they conduct 4 interviews